Hello guys, I'm Surush. Today we talk about material rendering and other type of options in Enscape. So I choose some type of materials and I done it on my model. So some of it is in this place empty and I'm gonna check these materials out. I use this material for staircases. All of this materials is metal. Beside this window frames with wood. So I think metal is much realistic for this model, because this model in the landscape, you can imagine that this landscape is really hard and tough, and actually this type of material, metals and rusted metals, rough metals or aluminiums, much better for this model. And actually it's remind me about some type of horror movies or action movies. I close material box and I close default tray. So I start Enscape. Preparing resources. Actually, when you choose some materials for your model got much higher. For example, 4 meg converted to 5 meg or 6 meg, and actually the time of the running come down. So our model loaded and we can see the environment. Enscape have some type of special options. For example, I choose grass for this landscape, and actually Enscape can know that it's grass and it's like carpet or some type of other textures. And this is metal, much better. Some type of reflect and refractions or mirrorness or glassiness in Enscape is automatic, and you don't need to change it, but I want to talk about some type of professional things. At first, we start from the viewports. I press F. I can see all of the scenes in my SketchUp model in the Enscape. When I press on scene 2, let's come to scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, or scene 1. I choose scene 6 for some type of results, or scene 5. Scene 5 is better. At the right side we have edit. I press on edit. It takes some time. So CAD view name is scene 5. You can set every type of names you wanted. For example, I set Enscape camera 5 for example. Linked visual preset. We don't have any preset, so it's empty. I click this star, it's my favorite view, and we have some type of camera positions. It's really wonderful. X, Y, and Z. 3 type of positions that all of us know about it. So I set it on 140 and Y is about 5 and Z is about negative 110 for example. So I change my camera and my pitch and yaw is changed. I pitch it on 40 and yaw about 126, or maybe 130 is better. And I don't want to save the Enscape some position, and I don't click it. So I save it, and Enscape camera 5 in my favorite with the model name. So another thing in here, we forget it. That's the perspective of our view. So at first I'm going to choose save frame. When I choose save frame, some type of normal resolution set for me. And now, time for changing our perspective. I came to the Enscape camera, I click on Edit, and at the edit point, in this place, I come and change my perspective from normal perspective to 2-point perspective. Actually, now we have much real scene than past. And now I can change my sun position at this place. You can change your sun position. For example, go night or sunset. Actually, it's easy with keyboards, and I use it with keyboard. For example, sometime like early of the morning, 6:40, and control U is about the time like that, for example. I can fix this numbers, for example 134 and 10, it's better. So I save it. After we save it, now we can change all type of things. For example, like resolution and other type of things. But I think it's enough for this lesson. At this lesson, you learn that when you press F, you can control your scenes and control or change the setting of the scenes much professional than in SketchUp. For example, when I come to scene 1, it's a very amateur scene, but Enscape Camera 5, professional scene. And you must remember that we don't set any type of material setting, but now we have this type of great views. When you want to make another view, for example, some type of view that you don't like it or like it, you just need to create view at the left side bottom at the view management. When I create view, I don't want to create it, but I just said to you, you can change the numbers, names, custom presets, positions, pitch and yaw, and sun position. But I click on cancel. I go to Enscape Camera 5 and please train every lesson at your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. I see you at the next lesson.